are shoppable. Just scan the QR code and start shopping.
Good girl, Lexi.
This year, we partnered with a host of local talents to bring our vision to life, including interior designer Allison Elabash, who's going to show you around.
Good boy, Eddie.
Arizona in the heart of the Flatiron District. Like I said, this is my second home. It's also a great place for a drink. Thank you for visiting both my home and my home at work. I hope to see you here at Sona soon. Cheers.
My shadow. You my shadow, Wookie? Yes, you are.
Hello, Tailgo.
I know.
All the energy he can muster.
You my shadow? He's such a good boy.
She's going to lower the cost of food and housing starting on day one. But day one for Kamala was 3.5 years ago. So why didn't she do it then?
Harris's running mate, Governor Tim Walz, returned to his home state of Nebraska to make a pitch to Republican and Libertarian.
Yes, definitely not a day for 9 dogs.
Yeah, so the 10-day
What do you think you're doing, young man?
We're gonna get the remainder of the weekend and tomorrow as well. But
You leave those eggs alone.
Okay, all right. This is worth the investment.
Yes,
Never mind licking your chops.
You know it's bad when even the surfers aren't out there.
That is
Even the
a tell.
surfers are not out there, even though we're always calling them high risk footprints, all this.
Take a hint from your sister. She's being so well behaved.
Are you eating my breakfast? Yes, you're licking your chops.
On our live camera here in New York Museum,
Come here, you.
live look out the side. So again,
Hi,
just don't risk it.
Hi,
Make sure you're being
Lexi.
safe if you
Hi,
are going to be
honey.
spending any
Hi,
time
Miss
at our area
Lexi.
beaches. Now, aside from that, we're seeing the threat for additional.
And your price will never go up. A lifetime rate lock guarantees it. This protection can last a lifetime, so some insurance policies end once you reach a